How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Neelanjanam samabhasam Gaviputram Yamaprajam Chhayamartam Dasambhutam Gam Namami Shiveshwaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness and success. Let's have a look. Okay, what is your last topic? What we have learned at last in our class? Who will tell me? Grammar. We have learned grammar, subordinating conjunctions, right? What are the subordinating conjunctions? Yes. What are the subordinating conjunctions here? Tell me. What are the subordinating conjunctions? Who will tell me? We are recapitulating our last learning. What are the subordinating conjunctions? Speak up. Yes, Petra.
When they are made up of two men.
Yes. They are made up of. Good morning, Beta.
They are made up of persons.
Okay. We use subordinating conjunctions to what? We use subordinating. Am I audible to you people? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, now someone speaker is on. Mute yourself. Every one of you. Now see here, in our last class we learned about subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions show the transition between two ideas in a sentence. They indicate a time, when, while, until, place, then the cause or effect of the relationship. Right? Although, nevertheless, so that, in order to, unless, whether, should, suppose, between sentences. Okay. Now, in our last class, we learned about the writing part. What? Paragraph writing. So today our topic is decided earlier, yes, because we are continuing with paragraph writing here, chapter 5, to the memory of a lion. We are solving writing. Okay. Now let's see here what we will able to learn today. To learn the paragraph writing. To learn. No. This is not for you to write. It is just for information. To know the paragraph writing. Then skills to achieve. To write a paragraph. Okay.
What we have to write now?
No, beta. Now see here, open your FNB. In your FNB we are going to write now. Okay. What things we are going to learn today? To learn the paragraph writing, learning outcome, and to write a paragraph is skill to be achieved. Now let's see here. In your textbook, you learned that the paragraph writing is based on three main parts. What are these three main parts? Here, paragraph writing. Paragraph depends on three parts. Topic or main sentence. Topic sentence. Then. See guys, today. Something is Hirva Panchatiya, shut up. See, recording is again starting and getting off. Okay, so if any one of you is able to start recording in your phone, you can start. Topic sentence, then supporting sentence. Supporting sentences, then closing sentences. Okay, closing sentences. Now let's see here, topic sentence is the soul of the paragraph. It is the main central idea of the paragraph. Supporting sentences are used to explain, to define the central idea with examples, facts or information based on it. And then after closing sentence restates the importance of topic sentence. This is how we write a complete paragraph. That's what we learned in our previous class. Now today we are going to solve the question of writing of chapter 5. Okay, open page number, I think it is 60. Yes, page number 58 in your textbook. Now let's see, writing a paragraph can be divided into 3 parts. The main or topic sentence, okay, then supporting sentences and closing sentences. Now who is going to read this paragraph? Read this paragraph. Identify the topic. The students who were having their speakers on are denied to read. जितने भी लोगों के speaker on थे, they will not going to read and answer today. Only Nishtha Ghule has taken permission in the chat box and Jia Desai also. Nishtha Ghule can start. Then Ashutosh, you need to identify the topic sentence. Okay, Nishtha, on your camera and start reading it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Balusare was one of Shivaji's oldest and dearest friends. The king trusted him were too difficult for other people. Just having him for the king's trust was. Ma'am, Nisha's voice is not coming. Her voice is very low.
Beta, your voice. You are having connectivity problem, Yashika Jain. If you are having any difficulty, you have to type in the chat box. Don't interrupt in between. She is reading in good manner. If I am able to get her clearly, it means that you people are also having abilities. Now you can check your connectivity. Nisha, you can read start.
Yes, ma'am. Just having Hannah the king's trust was so deep that he couldn't even ask Tanaji then permission to go ahead and visit.
Okay. Now what is the topic sentence, Ashutosh? Topic sentence for this paragraph. Tanaji Malusare was one of Shivaji's oldest and dearest friends. Write down topic sentence. Write like me, heading, then this one. In your notebook. FNB. Tanaji Malusare was one of Shivaji's oldest and dearest friends. Okay, this is our topic sentence. What is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the soul, okay, is the main central idea of the passage, right? Now see here, thereafter skip one line. After topic sentence, keep one line. Then after supporting sentences. Supporting sentences. Now let's see supporting sentences. What are the supporting sentences here? Write down. The king trusted Tanaji. The king. Start writing. The king trusted Tanaji. The king trusted Tanaji to accomplish things that he felt were too difficult. Difficult for other people. Just having Tanaji in the room seemed to help the king relax. In the room seemed to help the king relax. Now, the king's trust was, is it visible clearly? The king's trust was, so deep that he did not even ask Tanaji to explain his plan. But gave him permission to go ahead and do it. Closing sentence. Now it's the time of closing sentence. Let's see what should be the closing sentence here. Closing, one line, skip one line. Closing sentence. What is the closing sentence? See. Tanaji's death came as a great blow. Tanaji's death
Ma'am, it is not visible because after the bench is come.
Tanaji's death came as a great blow Tanaji's death came as a great blow to the king, and he honored his friend, and he honored his friend with a memorial that expressed his affection
Have written after the king and
he honored. Beta, now is it clear?
ma'am, that's ma'am.
That he honored his friend with a memorial that expressed his affection and respect for him. Now, let's see.
Ma'am, please.
Wait for a while. Huh? Punctuation, listening, speaking. Okay, now we are going to learn about punctuation. Punctuation, Rajay, I am here at your service. See page number 59 in your textbook. Page number 59 in your textbook. Okay, then after punctuation, you have to write it in the notebook, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, read these sentences. Rajay, I am here at your service. You are the only one who may be able to find a way. But don't tell them for what, as an apostrophe can be used in two ways to show contraction. The first is to mark the place where two words are joined together and some letters are missed out. Okay, I am, you are, Tanaji is. Okay, Tanaji is. Now, when we use a negative verb, we replace the missing letters with an apostrophe in the concentration. In these verbs, the apostrophe replaces O in not when we join the words. Okay, complete it fast, beta. Then we will start with punctuation.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, you have to write punctuation in your notebook, FNB, right? Just after writing, write punctuation. Now let's see.
Ma'am, only last 2 lines is remaining.
So you can write, huh? Make it fast, beta. We are not having whole day's time. We are having limited time. Okay. Now have you finished? It is there in textbook also. There is no need to see on the board. Now,
Yes, ma'am, I finished.
here, let us see. Raje, then after I am here. Okay, here I am means I am. We use apostrophe and cut A. In place of A, what we use? We use apostrophe, right? And when second time we use it, when we use a negative verb, we don't replace the missing letters, like do not, how do we write? Apostrophe don't, we write like this. So these two rules you have learned in 5th standard also in detail. If you remember punctuation, it was your, I think it was your 24th or 25th chapter. Okay, punctuation. So let's have a look on the textbook examples, and you have to write the answers in FNB. Write heading like this, punctuation, page number, write down 59. This should be your heading. Now first one, rewrite these sentences in your notebook with the shortened forms of the highlighted words. I am really excited about our trip to the zoo. Write down I am. Okay. Here, write down first one. I am really, what is the word? Excited about your trip to the zoo. Trip to the zoo. Or let me write like this only. Now second one. Who will answer the second one? She is hoping to make the Olympic.
May I?
Yes, she is. How to write? Hoping.
Ma'am, this नहीं रहा.
Why?
Ma'am,
Check your productivity. She is hoping to make the Olympics.
Ma'am, your के बाद में क्या है?
Trip, T-R-I-P, trip. It is there in your textbook, beta. You are having the same example in textbook also. Olympic team in the future. In the future. Now, third one.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, beta. I do not like. Good. I don't like cycling downhill. I don't like cycling downhill. I don't like cycling downhill Sitara said. Sitara said. So I am not coming with you. So I am not coming with you. Someone speaker is on. So I am not coming with you. Now, they have bought a lot of food for the picnic. How to write? They apostrophe VE. They have bought BOUGST. They have bought a lot of food. A lot of food for the picnic. Now, the Patel family would not like to attend the late night sound and light show. The Patel family wouldn't like to attend the late night sound and light show. Write down the Patel family wouldn't like to attend the late night.
Ma'am, light is coming, so please read the third one at last.
Beta, it is there in your textbook. Open your textbook. I asked you to open your textbook starting of the class. Attend the late night sound and light show. Late night sound and light show. Now, sixth one. The children cannot help but feel nervous. It is the first time they are performing on stage. Now, let's see where to write. Okay, let me clean this one, paragraph writing and all these things, so that we can continue here. I hope that all of you have finished writing till now. Now let's see the rest part. Sentence number 6. Let's see here. The children can't help. Write down. The children can't help but feel nervous. It's the first time. It's the first time they are performing on stage. They are performing on stage.
Ma'am, they are have no
Yes, yes. Good, Nirva. Only Nirva is attentive. What about others? They are sleeping. Done? Now, listening text. Listen carefully, I am going to read something and you have to write down the what we call emotion words. Let's start listening. She stood at the end of the street, right at the entrance of the tunnel. She heard her heart raced with fear and excitement. Someone's speaker is on, beta. Why you are keeping your speakers on? It is disturbing. Yes, Bhayani. You can leave the class. Yes, Bhayani. Now, let's see. She stood at the end of the street, right at the entrance to the tunnel. Her heart raced with fear and excitement as she waited for Michael to give the signal. There was a loud boom and then complete silence. Then she heard angry shouts and the sound of heavy footsteps. She turned and darted into the tunnel, hoping that Michael had been able to get away from the guards. It was pitch dark. Panic took hold for a moment before she was able to push it away. Keep calm, she told herself. Heavy footsteps kept following her deeper into the tunnel. Now write down the feeling word or emotion word. What are the emotion words here? Yes. First one.
Hoping and angry.
Fear.
Yes.
Excitement. Excitement. Someone speaker is on, beta, and you are shouting a lot.
I'm hoping and
then angry. Then after panic. Fifth one, calm. Okay? Now.
I'm hoping will not come.
No, beta. Hope is not emotion. Okay? Emotions are
मैम फोटो में पैनिक लिखा है ना?
Panic, yes, beta, panic.
मैम
In your
पेज नंबर
textbook page number 59. Who are you? Who are you? What's your name? The boy who is asking for page number. Now speaking, describe the situation when beta, you are shouting. What's your name? You are shouting so much.
Ma'am, I am down.
Yes, Nirva.
Ma'am, what you write in fifth one, it is not visible.
Calm. C-A-L-M, calm. Means quiet. Okay? Humble. Now, here, describe the situation when the soldiers stood at the foot of Kondana Fort. Remember, this was a time of great tension, but Tanaji also still had hope. Mention how they felt when Yashwanti slithered down when she gripped the top of the fort wall. Then how Tanaji felt during those times. What happened? How they all entered the fort. Who will explain me the situation when Yashwanti slithered down?
Ma'am, may I?
What situation? Yes, beta. Use English. Hindi is not allowed in class. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. May I ask?
Yes, beta.
Yes, one. Ma'am, in this Tanaji chapter, they have said Raja of
Beta, you are not clearly audible. The Nirva, check your connectivity first and then ask your doubt. You are not clearly audible.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my doubt is that in Chandravati was die or not?
No, beta. She didn't. Okay, here it is not mentioned. But you want the whole story, I will tell you at free time, but not right now. It is bigger than the textbook story. Right? For this you can see the movie. Okay. Now next one. Who will explain the situation? How the soldiers felt when Yashwanti slithered down, when she gripped the top of the fort wall? What happened? What was their feeling?
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I?
What's your name?
When soldiers were upset and said that this is the sign of bad luck, and Tanaji said that who saved him? And he tried to throw the Yashwanti again, and she stayed there, and Tanaji and the soldiers climbed up easily.
Yes.
Ma'am, now may I explain?
Yes.
When the Yashwanti sleep the beast at that time, one
Yashwanti was very
Okay. Now second situation. How Tanaji felt during those times? How Tanaji felt? How Tanaji felt during those times?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, very nervous.
Nirva, did I ask you, Nirva? Now till the end of the class, Nirva is not going to on her mic. Now Nirva will not speak anything. Nishtha, you can continue.
Yes,
Ma'am, now your voice is coming very low.
Yes.
Ma'am, now my voice
Nishtha,
is coming. Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, Nishtha, you are audible.
When Yashwanti slithered from the wall, all the soldiers were sad, and one of them screamed that it is a sign of bad luck. But then Tanaji once again he hauled up the iguana with a lot of force, and this time the iguana Yashwanti hold it very properly, and Tanaji got released.
Good. Now see here, life skills. Here we need to set our goals and make decisions. Some parts of the process are missing here in your textbook, and we write to add to the part. Okay. Third place, yellow color box is missing. What we need to write there? Work out an action plan. Here, third box. Write down. What is the first? Set your goal, then think about all the possibilities, then work out of an action plan. Write down here. Work out an action fifth one is study the result of the plant. Write down. Decide on a solution. Then fifth one. Sorry, fourth one. What is fourth one? Decide on a solution. Decide on a solution. And fifth one, study the result of the plant. Study the result of the plant. Study the result of the plant. Okay. This is how you can write. Amna Paya, switch off your camera and Niyati Dayani. Write it down. Write it. Now show me. Any one of you can show me your textbook. I want to see how you people have written it.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes? Yes, Nisha.
Ma'am, I done.
Ma'am.
Very good, Nisha. Now show me your notebook, Nisha.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I also done.
Beta, don't unmute yourself. You are shouting too much today.
Ma'am, see, is it visible?
I asked Nisha. It is not visible, Beta, Nisha.
Ma'am, wait, once again.
Ma'am, see my textbook. Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, now visible?
Yes, very good, Niyati. Good. Now present time. I am going to take your present. Be attentive. Today's homework, you have to complete the textbook exercises. Book and worksheet exercises of chapter 5. Okay? You have to complete worksheet exercises of chapter 5 with worksheet also. Right? Worksheet and workbook exercises. Now, do you have any doubt in today's content?
No, ma'am, no doubt. Ma'am, please.
Sarangadhara, Mannatarya.
Ma'am, please, thoda sa. Ma'am,
Ma'am, Mubin Martin is present, roll number 4.
Present. Soumya Dhimani.
ma'am, my agar is present.
Bhavya Sai. New Dawa. New Dawa. New Dawa. Amna Payak. Sham Gami. Rishabh Gandhi.
Shyam Gami.
Divya Halwadia. Yashika Jain. Priyanshu Maidaria.
Present, ma'am, Yashika Jain. Present, ma'am, Yashika.
Now, Veer Kailath. Priyanshu Maidaria. Darshil Narania. Nirva. Harry Patel. Yashvi Thakur. Hero Gopal present. Yashvi Thakur. Niyati Rayani present. Yashvi Thakur. Priyanshu Maidaria is present or not?
Ma'am, Priyanshu Maidaria present.
Ma'am, Nirva Patel present.
Kir Sarodia. Veer Sarkavadia.
Present, ma'am.
Veer Sarkavadia.
Present, ma'am, Swara Soni.
Soumya
Togodia present.
Soumya Trivedi.
Ma'am, those who have presently taken less.
Kavya Vadera. Ashutosh. Jay Sarwalia.
Ma'am, those
Present
present, ma'am. Roll number 33, Smith.
So, ma'am,
Present.
Priyansh, yes, which I have put here presently. Today's homework, complete worksheet and work chapter 5. It is your today's homework. Have a good day. Bye bye. You can leave the class.
Evaluate your present.